Sanya, a 13-year-old curious city girl who studies in class 8. Kabir, Sanya's brother, a 14-year-old boy who helps Sanya contemplate things and perform various activities. Mummy, Sanya's mother, who facilitates them in understanding different concepts.
So far, we have learned that sound is produced by vibrating objects. Vocal cord in human body produces sound. Sound can reach from one medium to another through air, liquid like water, and solid objects like wood and metal. Mummy, similar to the structure in the throat for producing sound, is there a structure in our ears that helps us hear?
Absolutely. Inside our ears, there is a membrane that helps us to hear.
Friends, I'm just wondering if hearing sounds also has some connection with vibrations. Do you think there are vibrations in our ears because of which we can hear sounds? Let us refer to our textbooks and find an answer to this. Someone is at the door, Mummy.
Sanya, let me go and check who is at the door. You go and see which utensil has fallen in the kitchen.
Sure, Mummy. Friends, did you notice how we were able to recognize the sound of the knock on the door and the sound of utensils falling in the kitchen? That too without even looking at both of these objects producing the sound.
Sanya, come, let me show you something. Let us hit the glass with a little force using this spoon and touch a thermocol ball along the side of the glass. What do you observe?
Vibrating glass pushed the ball away from it for some time.
Now hit it with the spoon with a little more force to see how far the ball bumps from the glass.
Oh yes, Bhaiya. On hitting the glass with a little more force, the glass made a louder sound and the ball went farther away.
Did you notice any difference between the two sounds?
Yes, when the sound was low, the ball did not swing too far. But when the sound was very loud, the ball swung far. That makes sense. Friends, why do we find some sounds so loud but the others low? Do you think this is also related to the vibration produced by objects? Our body system also has so many vibrations that we are normally not able to hear due to limitations of our hearing capacity.
You are right, Sanya. We cannot hear very low frequency sounds.
But I had heard that some animals like dogs are also able to hear very high frequency sounds. Is this true?
Yup, this is absolutely true. By the way, do you know what is the unit of sound?
Bhaiya, I think sound is measured in hertz. Friends, Do you know the frequency of sound that humans can hear? Oh ho! The sounds of all these vehicles are so very disturbing. I'm not able to study.
Sanya, not only these vehicles, there are so many things in our house that lead to noise pollution,
Like washing machines,
television, coolers.
Bhaiya, do you ever suffer from headache from all this noise? At times, I feel all this noise gives me headache. You know, I was reading somewhere, loud noises affect our health and this can lead to issues like insomnia, hearing issues, etc. Friends, have you ever faced any issue because of so much noise around? Would you like to share your experience?
I agree. Noise pollution is very harmful and we must all put in our best efforts to reduce it. This would otherwise cause a lot of issues to not only humans but also animals.
Yes, Bhaiya. Ever noticed how irritated and scared stray dogs are on Diwali with all those firecrackers being burst? We must all consciously refrain from bursting firecrackers. In fact, they should be banned.
You are right, Sanya. Do you think there are any other ways that we can adopt to reduce noise pollution?
Do you know, Bhaiya? I saw a board outside a hospital which said, "No horn please." This is something that we can all keep in mind as honking is another reason for noise pollution.
Do you know that trees not only reduce air pollution but also noise pollution?
Is it? In such case, we must definitely ensure that we plant trees by the roadside. Friends, can you list some other ways to reduce noise pollution?